So we're doing some more unboxing videos. I think these are all just eBay stuff, but yeah, whatever. Thought you guys might get a look at some of the stuff I randomly order. Just got back from FISPA Live in New Orleans, so some of this stuff was waiting for me. Batman figure. Something else in here. Unique as Batman Beyond. My best friend Sean will probably know what this means, but I just thought it's a cool figure. It's in one of the toy auction groups. So let's see. This is probably from my buddies at ALG, maybe. We'll see. I noticed it came when I was gone. So, actually quite packaged quite well. No, this isn't the ALG box. That's cool to see newspapers from other countries and stuff. The disc came from across the pond. Mask. Meteor. 80s toy. One of them that's a little bit harder to find these days. I like the box art. Box art's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. Got this guy. This is probably another either eBay or it's packaged fairly well. A couple things in here. So let's see what we got. Pop figure. Riddler. One of my favorite Batman villains, especially from Arkham Knight. This is from Batman Forever, Jim Carrey. Dang, that's reflecty. It's got a little case on it. And here comes Doggy Cat. What you doing, doggo? Did you come to be internet famous? Look at the camera. What else we got in here, doggy? Ooh, yeah. I forgot I bought one of these. I bought one for Sean at, they had one left at Target. Somewhere we stopped along the way to New Orleans, and I'm like, oh, I'd like to have one of those myself, but I forgot I bought one at an auction. Opened a couple boxes earlier. I got this guy's vintage. Goes along with the training tower I bought from Aaron a couple weeks ago. Fast and Furious, Brian's Eclipse car. I had a big Fast and Furious collection at one point. Sold it all off and kind of wish I didn't. I had some of the Hot Wheels size semis, and they're going for some pretty good money at the moment. So I'm kind of bummed. This is from Batman the Animated Series. Kind of cool. Find a place for it. I want to get the I got one for Sean as well, the 60s Batman. It looks cooler. This is kind of weird, you know, with the big gaping hole for the mouth or whatever. It just, nom 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 nom, I'm gonna eat you. I mean, it's kind of weird. It's still cool. You know, it's Batman the Animated Series, one of the best animated shows ever made, I think. So, I think that's about all I got at the moment. So, let's see if we got... No, I think that's all I got. Catch you guys later.